Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how I make this delicious fried rice. So in a pot I have the turkey. I've washed it very well with clean water and salt, and I'm now spicing it up with salt, curry, mixed spices, thyme, and 2 Knorr cubes for seasoning. Okay, I'll add also grated ginger and garlic and the chopped onion. I will then stir well for them to introduce and meet each other. Okay, then I will cover to steam for 10 to 15 minutes before adding water. This step will make your turkey or chicken to taste very delicious and heavenly. Okay, so this is 15 minutes later. As you can see, the turkey brought out water on its own without adding water yet, but now I'll be adding water to it. I just added water enough to cook the turkey, stir well, and then cover the pot for the meat to cook well. So on the other side of the burner, I have gizzard inside the pot. I'll be using gizzard for the recipe. I just added salt, curry, and then chopped onion. I then added water enough to cook the gizzard and cover to cook. So I checked back on the gizzard. At this time, it's now well cooked. It's properly cooked now. I'll now scoop it aside. And over to the turkey. The turkey is also cooked. Then I will stir it well now and scoop it out to fry. You can use air fryer to grill your chicken or turkey. You can also use oven or you can fry it. So I will be using frying method. Okay, so I've all scooped it out now. So I'll be boiling the rice for 5 minutes. This rice is not basmati rice. You can use any rice of your choice. This particular rice, even if I cook it to the next century, it will remain on its own without getting soggy. Okay, but if the rice you are using is basmati or it gets soft easily, you can opt this option. You can just soak it in the hot water for just 5 or 7 minutes and then wash it off, or you wash off the dust and dirt in it and just stir fry it before going ahead to cook it. Okay, so over to the other burner, I've added the turkey in the vegetable oil and I'm frying it till it turns golden brown. Shout out to all my new subscribers. Welcome to my channel. Have a warm hug. Please click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Like, comment, and share to your family and friends. To my returning subscribers, I love you guys. You guys are so much amazing. Thank you for the like, share, and comment. I so much appreciate. And if this is the first time I've seen my video or coming across my channel, thank you for stopping by to watch my video. Please click on the subscribe button. Subscription is free. Then click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Like, comment, and share to your family and friends. Thank you guys. So our turkey is all ready. I now scoop it out and proceed to check our rice. So I will now sieve and wash out the starch from the rice. I will then place the pot back. I then scoop in a little oil I used from frying the turkey. Added grated ginger and garlic. I'll saute it a little and then add curry. You can skip not to add curry now. After adding the rice, you add the curry, but I added the curry now, and then go ahead to add the washed rice. Okay, I will now stir fry it for 10 minutes before adding our stock from the turkey. Okay, I will stir it well to incorporate well. So I now go ahead to add the stock water. I've sieved out the particles. Okay, so I added the stock water, a little water, and then 1 cube of Knorr. I added crayfish too. You can choose not to add crayfish in your fried rice, but I love adding it. Okay, you can skip that side. You can also see that the water is the same level with the rice, but if you didn't parboil it just like I did, you can make the water to be a little above the rice. So our rice is all well cooked now. It has dry water, as you can see, and if you can see very well, our rice is still standing on its own. It's not getting soggy or covering each other or depending on each other. Okay, it's still standing on its own. So that's what I'm telling you about the rice. It's very nice for cooking of fried rice. So I'll cover it and set it aside. So here are the ingredients I have for preparing the fried rice. Here I have diced the bell peppers or sweet peppers, okay? Then I have sweet corn. I also have peas, then carrots, onion, and the diced gizzard. So I'll go ahead to fry the diced gizzard first. What is Nigerian fried rice without gizzard? They go in hand, you. No gizzard, no fried rice. Yeah, that's the Nigerian fried rice for us. So I've scooped out the gizzard, and over to the pan I've just added some oil from the oil we used in frying the turkey, okay? And then went ahead to add in the chopped onion. I will saute the onion and then add in the diced carrot. I'm adding it first because it's more hard than other vegetables, okay? So I'll stir fry it for 2 minutes and then add the other vegetables. I'll go ahead to add the sweet corn now, the peas, stir fry for a minute, and then add the diced sweet or bell peppers, okay? I will stir fry for 2 minutes and then add salt, just 1 Knorr cube, and curry. Adding curry is optional. If you feel that the curry you added in the rice is okay for you, then you skip this part, okay? But adding it will take your vegetable to another level, okay? So I will stir fry for 2 minutes before adding the gizzard. If you've watched to this moment and you have not subscribed, please, this is the opportunity for you to do so. I'm begging you, please subscribe. Subscription is free. Support my ministry, okay? Thank you. So I test the vegetable to see if it is well incorporated with the ingredients that I have added, and of course it tastes heavenly. So at this point the vegetable is ready to welcome the rice. I added all the rice because the pan is very big to contain all the rice. If your pot or pan is not big, you can add the rice or you can fry them bit by bit, okay? So I taste the rice and mama mia, this rice tastes heavenly. Thanks for watching and bye.